Vegan recipes with Pat and Emily.
Hi, thanks for joining me today on It's Vegan. Today we're getting ready for Valentine's Day and we're going to make a sweet treat, chocolate cupcakes with chocolate chunks. This is a quick, easy dessert to throw together last minute, and it's great for you or for a loved one. So to start, I have flour in a bowl here. We're going to mix all of our dry ingredients. I have salt, baking soda, cocoa powder. We are going to use brown sugar, but if you don't have brown sugar, you can do a substitute. Just use the amount of sugar that it calls for and add a half of a teaspoon of molasses. I always like to do my dry ingredients together a little bit first before I start mixing in my wet. Try to smash any of the chunks of cocoa powder or flour that you have. Then for the wet ingredients, we are going to add some apple cider vinegar, vanilla. I'm using applesauce here, but I have also done this where I've been out of applesauce and I have smashed up canned pears and used those instead, just fine. Then we need to add our water. And also, I'm out of it right now, but if you have it available, adding 1 teaspoon of espresso powder to this really enhances the chocolate flavor, in my opinion. So we are just going to incorporate all of these ingredients. I'm going to get it all mixed together and have everything wet before I add the chocolate chunks. I have already lined my muffin pan. My sister got me these cute little silicone reusable muffin liners. Those are awesome. Cupcake liners. They're so cool. You can use them for muffins. Still have a couple little clumps of cocoa powder and stir in. All of our ingredients are pulling. So now, time for the chocolate chunks. This recipe yields 12 cupcakes, and you're going to use a little under 1/4 of a cup of filling in each one of your little liners. I'm going to get my measuring cup and get all set up for this. We'll be right back, and preheat your oven. We're back. Here is our beautiful batter, looks like. Now it's time to fill up these cute little liners. These will be a sweet treat for anyone in your life, I'm sure. Any friend or family member, acquaintance you run into. Remember, life's what you make it. And really, in my opinion, Valentine's Day is just an extra reason to eat some chocolate. Once I get these filled, they'll go into the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. You're going to want to check them with a toothpick or a small knife to see if it comes out clean. We are going to do 3 different topping options today. The last little bit out of the bowl here. Our oven is now preheated. It looks like I need a little bit more to go in that one. Just grab one from one of these little buddies. Before I pop this in the oven, I'm going to take a minute to wipe up some of this batter that missed the liners. I'm going to pop these in the oven and we'll be back to make some icing. Now that our cupcakes are in the oven, for our topping options, number 1, powdered sugar, always beautiful. Number 2, I have a buttercream and I didn't have an icing bag, so I put it in a Ziploc bag and cut the tip. We will put the recipe below for this. It's just a buttercream that I used vegan butter to make. And then for the third option, I like to do this all the time, and I don't even use it for icing, but it is very much like icing. We're going to take a big gob of peanut butter. Get a little bit more actually. Then I like to add some cocoa nut milk of whatever kind you like, and a little bit of maple syrup. And I'm sorry guys, I don't have any measurements for this. And then I'm going to mix this together. Time lapse for you. And at first it's kind of hard to incorporate. It doesn't seem like it's going to want to go together. But it all goes together, and it's easy to adjust. If it's too thin, add more peanut butter. If it's too thick, add more milk. Not sweet enough, you get it. Maple syrup. Alright, we got that all mixed together. It's pretty stiff. I might add a little more milk. Can we give it a taste? Very peanut buttery. I'm going to do the rest of my cocoa. A little more milk. And a little more maple. Oh, that was a lot more. Oh, there we go. That is looking good. Now, since I don't have my cake decorating stuff, I'm going to take another bag, open it up, set it down in a cup. You want like one tip open more than the other. And I am going to scoop all of this down into there. Squeeze it down into one corner, and then when we're ready, we'll just cut the tip off of that. I'll be back when our cupcakes are done. Our cupcakes are ready, and they've cooled a little bit, and now we are going to finish them off. For the first option, I just was gonna do a little bit of powdered sugar, and I think that looks just darling by itself. For the next one, I'm gonna take our bag of icing, and a pair of scissors, and just going to snip that off, and then twist the back of it, and we are just gonna pipe it out like regular icing. For the final option of our buttercream, and it's also in a bag, and the tip is also cut off. For this one, I'm just gonna fill in the top. 3 beautiful options. I'm back. A couple of the cupcakes are icinged up and a couple still need done. I'll do those later. Time for my favorite part, the taste test. Of course, I picked one to try that had the peanut butter chocolate icing on top. If you have a sweet tooth and it wants chocolate, this will definitely hit the spot. Thanks for stopping in and seeing me. Have a great day, guys. Subscribe. Stick around if you want to watch the bloopers. Yep. Chunks. This is a quick, easy dessert too.